Hi, I'm Saraf, and my design proposition responds to UN SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. It specifically addresses the environmental and ethical issues related to the production and consumption of clothing. Australia is the second largest textile waste producer in the world. Global textile waste has increased over 800% since 1960. The exponential growth of the fast fashion industry has largely contributed to the severity of the crisis.
Meanwhile, the process of making fast fashion has killed and severely injured billions of garment workers globally in unsafe and toxic working environments. They have to work up to 18 hours a day in congested and confined spaces even throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. However, frequent factory fires and building collapses, like the Rana Plaza incident in Savar, Bangladesh, are the biggest threats that workers face and are in constant fear of. I carried out extensive primary and secondary research to aptly inform the project and ensure my design proposition exemplifies a holistic solution embodying responsible production and consumption of clothing. I looked into several precedents and researched multiple theoretical frameworks to support and design a circular clothing system that not only addresses the sustainable but ethical implications of clothing production and consumption as well.
The CIRCOFIT circular clothing system is a holistic solution designed to ensure ethical and sustainable production and consumption of clothing by minimizing textile waste and empowering unfairly treated garment workers by helping them work independently and safely from the CIRCOFIT co-working hubs or their own homes.
The system comprises of three main components: a freelancing platform for garment makers constituting an app and co-working hubs around Bangladesh, an universal rating system for clothing, and an online-offline circular clothing platform constituting an app and stores around Australia that fund the freelance platform. The CIRCOFIT freelance platform works as a conduit between fashion companies and workers, where the workers can choose their assignments through the app according to their particular skills and get paid while working safely in the comfort of their homes or their nearest CIRCOFIT hub. Since over 80% of the garment workers are female who reportedly face sexual harassment from their male co-workers, 90% of the total number of hubs are for women only. Hence, the hubs have on-site nursing rooms and daycare facilities so mothers can work peacefully while staying close to their children. The hubs are designed to have an open space plan to ensure ample ventilation and natural light in order to minimize energy consumption and simultaneously create a healthy working environment for the workers. CIRCOFIT co-working hubs are equipped with all the required tools and appropriate safety measures. There are separate knitting, sewing, and cutting corners and an on-site quality control section to ensure the products meet the particular brand standards. The hubs are also designed with plenty of relaxing, lounging, and socializing spaces for workers to take breaks. The design and construction of the co-working hubs only use locally sourced sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled timber, jute, brass, and eco-glass. The structure and space was prototyped and user-tested in multiple ways, including 3D rendering, sketch modeling, and showing users space renders to get feedback. The CIRCOFIT work app helps workers find available freelance garment making jobs, arrange pickup after task completion, receive their payments, and unionize with fellow freelance garment makers. All required equipment along with materials for the particular task are sent to the worker's home if they choose to work from home. Multiple user testing sessions were carried out to optimize the app, and the key user feedback implementation was adding an AI quality control feature to help workers find and rectify flaws and eventually get their work verified for successful delivery. The Universal Standard Rating System is designed to verify sustainability and circularity of all new clothes. It takes into consideration the product's sustainable and ethical implications, that is, material composition, life cycle, carbon emissions, and ethical treatment and welfare of its makers. The circular online-offline fashion platform was designed to address the issue of textile waste as well as to fund the freelance work platform for garment makers. The fashion platform comprises a circular fashion online app marketplace and a chain of circular clothing stores around Australia to exchange, rent, and borrow used clothes within the community, as well as new seasonal collections from fashion brands. The ultimate goal is to design a future with an intrinsically aware community that care and respect the planet and the makers of their possessions enough to buy and use responsibly.